Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, we're going to build glutes and quads of the gods with hammock squats on the path of least resistance. Loop the handle of each leash over a horizontal bar on a sturdy fence, then pull the metal clip through the handle. When they're both secure, clip them together, forming your hammock. If you can't find a fence, you can build your hammock around a vertical post. Just pull the handle of one leash through the handle of the other, then pull the clip through the first handle. Pull it tight, put it around the post, then clip the clips together. Step into your hammock facing the fence or post and lean back into it, holding the straps. Start with your body planked, then unhinge your hips and sit back into a deep squat, keeping all the force away from your toes and into your heels. This will allow you to squat deeper while protecting your knees. Once this is easy, you can increase the resistance by walking your feet closer to the fence or lowering the pick point on the post. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Build a better booty and fortify your thighs with hammock squats on the path of least resistance.